Hi, I'm Leah. I'm a licensed esthetician, and today I am telling you the 411 on the similarities and the differences between our best-selling peel pad, which is the Skinbetter Alpharette, and our brand new peel pad from Neova. This is the 5-second peel. They share a lot of similarities, but they also have some very key and unique differences that really help to make each one stand apart. Now they both utilize a multi-acid blend as well as a form of vitamin A. They both also obviously provide chemical exfoliation as well as a little bit of manual because of the pad. They also both bridge the gap between your in-office procedures. The Skinbetter peel pad actually helps so that if you can't get in to see your esthetician and you really need a nice, deeper exfoliation than what your at-home skincare can give you, you'll want to reach for this. Now, you can also prep your skin prior to an in-office procedure for even better results with the Neova peel pad. You'll use this for 14 nights prior to your in-office treatment, and you are going to get even glowier, smoother, less textured skin. Now let's take a deep dive into the Skinbetter peel pad. So this utilizes a triple acid blend, which is lactic, glycolic, and salicylic. It also combines their proprietary retinoid, which mixes with lactic acid for just explosive results when it comes to skin clarity, texture, and pore refinement. The Alpharette is a double conjugated retinoid. Lactic acid is a great superficial exfoliant that also promotes hydration so it doesn't dry out the skin while it helps to resurface. Glycolic just helps to amplify exfoliation and helps with surface level pigmentation, while salicylic is a beta hydroxy acid and helps to reduce and refine pores and keeps the skin clear. Now, the Neova pad, which I'm personally super excited for, honestly to me is just best for somebody who has more signs of aging, whereas they're both going to be great for everybody, but this is really going to be for somebody who needs even a more powerful exfoliation. This combines 5 different acids, while Skinbetter had 3. Just like Skinbetter, this is a one-step exfoliation. It's going to help to just smooth skin, help with a more youthful glow. It's great for laxity and pore refinement as well, and awesome for pigment. This is also going to be great for fine lines and wrinkles, especially crepey skin. So just like Skinbetter peel pads, these not only have a 5-acid blend, but they also utilize vitamin A. Neova utilized a derivative of vitamin A called HPR, which is a retinoic acid that has the ability to penetrate the deeper layers of our skin. This is really going to help long term because it can go deeper into our skin and actually help as our skin cells turn over. So the skin coming to the surface has already had this retinoic acid and can be even brighter and smoother and less wrinkly as it comes to the surface. This also utilizes beta hydroxy acid, salicylic, which again is going to just help with skin refinement, going to keep pores clean and clear, and help to, when our pores are stretched out because they're clogged up, they look bigger. So keeping them clean and clear are going to also make them look firmer and smaller. And then where Neova stands apart, they use another 4 acids on top of the beta hydroxy. So this also has lactic, which is bilberry fruit extract, glycolic, which is sugarcane, and again, great for brightening and just helping with cellular turnover. This also has citric, which is an orange and lemon fruit extract, so great for superficial brightening, and malic and tartaric, which is a sugar extract. With all this acid blend, it's just going to be great for somebody with more advanced aging as well as sun damage, because we are brightening, we are refining, we are turning over those cells, and we are getting these acids even deeper penetrated into the skin. But both of these are going to be great for all skin types, including sensitive. Now the Neova does have 4 mLs of serum or acid blend in each packet, so you can really utilize this from head to toe. So you're getting a full body treatment. And then lastly, let's take a peek at what they look like. Let's start with the Skinbetter. Again, this is going to be great a few times a week, but I do know some clients who use this every day. This is also, just like I said, slightly bit of a mechanical exfoliation because the pad has these ridges. So you're getting just a chemical and manual exfoliation, and you can use this head to toe. I really like to focus on the backs of the arms and the elbows. If you get KP, these are really great. Men, like on the back of the neck, if they get a lot of like breakouts from shaving, these are also going to be great. I even like these in areas like under your arms, but if you're doing that, make sure you're definitely using SPF all summer long so we don't get burnt. Now moving on to the Neova. I love these as an esthetician also in my treatment room because utilizing just a really light peel before some procedures or facials is just so great, and it just provides even better results for your client. And why I really like these in particular is because they have a little like finger hole, and it's just so much easier when you are working on somebody to use something like this. So again, this has 4 mLs of product on each saturated swab, and again, they have the ridges as well. So you can utilize this head to toe, and you are getting a full body exfoliation with either one of these pads. Again, either one of these is going to be great for all skin types, but if you do have more advanced aging concerns, I would reach for the Neova. But if you are brand new to exfoliation or just want like a great dynamic peel, either one of these are going to be great. I think the last question I got is which one do I like better for like acneic skin? I would definitely probably go with the Skinbetter. And if you're more like sun damage, crepey skin, mature skin, Neova. But again, I love them both. I hope this was super helpful. Thanks so much.